Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start on the iPhone. Open Settings, tap your name, then iCloud. This is where photo sync is controlled. You need both devices signed into the same Apple ID, otherwise changes won't affect the iPad. Once done, tap Photos and look for iCloud Photos toggle. Turn it off to stop new uploads from this device. Do this first so you cut off the source. It prevents further automatic transfer while you prepare the iPad for the change. Now move to the iPad and repeat the same path. Settings, your name, iCloud, then Photos. When you turn off iCloud Photos here, you'll be asked whether to keep Photos on iPad or remove from iPad. Choose based on whether you want local copies. Once toggled, give the device a minute to stop any active sync. Make sure the Photos app no longer shows an uploading or syncing indicator. This confirms the connection is severed, and future pictures won't appear automatically. Finish by confirming both devices display iCloud Photos turned off in their iCloud settings. This is your final checkpoint. If you still see syncing after toggles, sign out of your Apple ID on the device that keeps syncing, restart it, then sign back in. This clears stuck sessions. Make sure both devices are updated to the latest iOS because older versions can behave unpredictably. If a problem persists, restarting both devices.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.